Family and friends, we've been invited here today to share with Melissa and Weston a very important moment in their lives. In the years they have been together, their love and understanding of each other has grown and matured. And now they've decided to live their lives together as husband and wife.
Somehow, for the places that I've been, the only place where I fit in is here with you. And somehow, for all the times that I was wrong, I've known all along that I'm meant for you, meant for you. Now and always, you're my future, you're my past. Now and always, you're my first day, you're my last. And we'll walk down the aisle. So let's walk down the aisle. Right now, for the words that we could say, there's only just one way I feel for you. And right now, for every promise we could make, my hand is yours to take forevermore, evermore. Now and always, you're my future, you're my past. Now and always, you're my first thing, you're my last. And we'll walk down the aisle. So let's walk down the aisle. You have my whole heart for my whole life, my whole heart for my whole life. With my whole heart, let's walk down the aisle for our whole lives. Let's walk down the aisle. Now and always, you're my future, you're my past. Now and always, you're my first day, you're my last.
I, Weston,
I, Weston,
take you, Melissa,
take you, Melissa,
to be my beloved wife.
to be my beloved wife,
To have and to hold,
to honor you,
to treasure you,
to be at your side in sorrow and in joy,
in the good times and bad.
and to love and cherish you always,
I promise this from my heart.
for all the days of my life. I, Weston,
Give you, Melissa,
give you, Melissa,
this ring as a symbol of my commitment to you.
as a symbol. This ring is a symbol of my commitment to you.
As powerful and endless as the sea.
And Weston,
And Weston, I love you.
it's my pleasure to meet you first introduce to everyone, Mr. and Mrs. Beres.
He said it changed his life to be my man. So he bought a ring and took my hand. He says he's ready. He's never been so sure, quite so steady. He's gonna live his life to keep the promises he made. Even though he makes mistakes, I know he's ready. For better or for worse, he's gonna carry. We're gonna have our hurts, but it's the treasure of my life. Just to spend it by his side, I know I'm ready. I found a heart that was just like mine. Yeah, he makes me laugh and he lets me cry. Oh, he listens when I lose my mind. And now I get to go by his side. I'm lucky and I'm ready. I've never been so sure, quite so steady. I'm gonna live my life to keep the promises I made. Even though I make mistakes, I know I'm ready. For better or for worse, I'm gonna carry. We're gonna have our hurts, but it's the treasure of my life. Just to spend it by your side, I know I'm ready. Oh, it's the treasure of my life. Just to spend it by your side, I know I'm